Hello, guys, welcome to my kitchen. I am Stephanie Menadi. I am super happy to be with you today, and we are gonna make barbecue ribs. And you will see all the ingredients that I have to make a nice barbecue ribs in Haitian way. So, this is my meat, this is my ribs. Okay, this is what I'm gonna use, you know. It's gonna be super yummy. You're gonna love it. Just the Haitian way, okay? And we have some salt. We have some barbecue sauce. It's sweet and spicy. White vinegar. And I do have some mozzarella stick marinade. It's very good. So you can use it for anything for barbecue that you gonna put on the grill. And this is my barbecue glaze. You can find this at Publix, okay? It's super easy, and you can find it at Walmart too as well. And I have some cayenne pepper, and I have some baking chipotle powder and salt, garlic powder. All right, so that's all we're gonna need. And if you have some sour oranges, you can use it too. So the meat doesn't have a lot of work to do. Okay, it's gonna be super easy. I will show you everything step by step. Do not worry about anything. Alright, so this is my meat as a Haitian that we're doing like a Haitian way. I'm gonna show you. Since we don't have nothing to clean, to take out, it's super clean, but we just gonna clean it like on the Haitian way, like we're doing like a real chicken, like a Haitian way. So first of all, what I do, I put some salt, and I'm gonna cut some lime. I'm gonna put some lime juice in it and let it soak in. And we're gonna have a boiling water with some leaf like scallion and some lime, white vinegar, some salt. And after we rinse the meat, and then right now I'm adding some white vinegar on that one, and then after we rinse it, we're gonna drop the hot water that we do to just clean the meat really well and make it smell so good. So I add two limes and some salt and some white vinegar, and I will let it sit there for a couple minutes, and I will rinse it, and after that I'm gonna add the hot water in it, and I will put some Haitian spice, and I will boil it to let it cook. Not cook well through because I'm gonna cook it again. I am doing it like a Haitian way, like how we cook meat. Clean it, have a nice hot water, smell really good with some leaf. So and then after that, put some Haitian spice, let it cook, and then if you're about to fry it, you fry it, and if you have to put it like in the oven, you do that. Right now, I am putting my meat on the oven for about 25 minutes. Then after 25 minutes, so this is my meat. It's pretty much well cooked right now. So I'm gonna wrap it with my barbecue sauce. Okay, just like that. So any day that you have some friends coming and family, you can just buy some steak, some ribs, some chicken, and make a nice barbecue. So some salad potatoes with braised cabbage and other stuff, some hot dog for the kids. So real nice. All right, so we're gonna rub each of the ribs with the barbecue sauce. The sauce, oh, tastes so good. I forgot to tell you guys. Yes. You need some sugar. I put some sugar, so some other spice, some barbecue glaze. Oh, some apple cider vinegar. some white wine vinegar, some cooking wine. Make sure it's cooking wine and apple cider vinegar. That's it. And taste it, and then if it needs more seasoning, you just add a little bit more. If it's salt or pepper, you just add more. Simple as that. But the only thing, make sure that is cooked. I just add some white wine. Okay, yeah, make sure that it's cooked. Make sure you taste it to see if the cabbage is not hard, because you can really make a sandwich with it. So I add some brown sugar, like also, hot dog and bread, and then you put some braised cabbage and some mustard. Super yummy, super yummy, especially for kids. Okay, so in my case I add some black pepper. So it was nice to spend some time talking about food, show you how I make my food. If you want to do the same thing, you can do the same thing. Follow my recipe, and I will leave more information for you on the video description. So make sure you like, make sure you follow, make sure you subscribe. See you next time for another video. Okay, bye bye.